YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You're currently watching Money Cuts, and today we got a pretty cool unboxing that I was not expecting to do this early in the year. Not early in the year, but like this early because the shoe did shock drop. So it was supposed to release originally in December 14th. I think it's when it's releasing, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put a picture if I'm wrong, but I think it was December 14th. It is the Jordan 11 Bred colorway. Now, let me open this box real quick. We got the Nike box, but there's really nothing you should be wanting to see. But I did get this shoe while I was in school. My friend told me about it if I can get him a pair, which this pair is already sold, a size 10. He told me, hey bro, I think these are shock dropping. Can you like try and get them for me? I'm like, yeah, sure. I was kind of skeptical because I hadn't heard anything, but I was like, yeah, I'll see what I can do if they do shock drop. I was in school. I was about to go in to take a test. And then I was sitting down in the couch, not like a little chair before, because this class was still in session. So I'm sitting down, scrolling down on Instagram. And then if you guys don't have the app Soul Links or follow Keith Adam on Twitter, make sure you follow him. He always posts right away or even like seconds before it actually happens. I got a notification from Soul Links saying shock drop, sneakers app, Jordan Bred or 11. And then Keith Adam tweeted as well, shock drop, Jordan 11 Bred. That was how I was able to get him. I didn't even get, I got them, not on my account, somebody else's account, on my, the link that I was, so I was on Twitter, I clicked on that link, and it sent me to like the Nike sneakers app. I logged in there, and then that's where I got him. I think I have pictures, so I'll post them right here. It says purchased on the very bottom. And then I went on my account, like my actual app, and I didn't get an L. I got an L on those. I don't know how, but here you go. I don't know if you guys want to read through that, or I can read it real quick. It says, the Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan brand celebrates the model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run, League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying it's got to be the shoes. So that is right there, and now the shoes come like that. So I'm not really gonna take too long like going over the shoes because this shoe has been made a couple of times. I think it's the fourth time I think it's been made. I don't know a lot about Jordans, so don't roast me because I barely got into Jordans, to be honest. So there's really nothing I can like show you guys that's like brand new or like something different. Overall, it's a pretty clean shoe. Silhouette is very iconic. The colors are very iconic. This is pretty cool to me. This is my first time having one in hand. So on the back it says the 23, I believe. Yeah, 23. So my camera cut off, so I don't know where I left off, but I'll edit it so like it's smooth. So I was saying on the inside, right here it says Jordan backwards, I believe, or like some weird stuff. I don't know if you guys know more about it, just let me know. Overall, it's a pretty clean shoe. In the inside it says Nike Air, and I saw this. What is this? Okay, this is pretty cool. Just look at Jordan shoe tree. Is it called shoe tree? That's not what they call them. I don't know what these are, but just for the inside, it is made out of plastic, like really good plastic. Does it mean anything? Nope, doesn't mean anything. Well, I think it says if it's an 8.5 through a 10. I think that's all because there's a couple of numbers in the inside. But this is pretty cool. Let's try and put this back in. Ooh, that's tight.
What?
Okay. Now, that's pretty much it. Because, I mean, there's really nothing I can say about the shoe. You guys seen it over and over again. On the bottom, we do have the red and then the black. And then kind of like a carbon fiber look. But it's not carbon fiber. It's just like black and black dots. Pretty much it. I don't know, pretty cool shoe. The silhouette is clean. Like I said, it's really popular. And this shoe is never gonna lose value. It'll never be under retail. I think. I hope so. Just for what it means and the story behind it. I don't know what these are, but it's just like little pieces of like rubber, like sticking out, like right here, and right here. I don't know if you guys can barely see that. I don't know if that's part of the shoe or just quality control, but overall it looks pretty cool. Where's the other shoe? The other shoe is right here. Pretty cool shoes. Now let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys took a W on the shock drop, took an L. Besides that, hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to follow my Instagram page at MoneyCuts if you haven't. Means a lot. We're like at 420 followers. We're at 109 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 150 by the end of this month. It's gonna be hard, but we can do it. Yeah, besides that, make sure you leave a comment down below what you think about this shoe. And like this video. Besides that, hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this beautiful voice.
Mellow made it right. Nigga, I was damn bad. Now I'm on a jet for real. Got all this ice on me, baby. Told my protector chill. Sipping all this codeine, my baddest bitches on X pill. I want a couple million without a record deal. Got 25,000 on me when I been riding in the Phantom. Got all designer on me, bitch. I'm so fly, don't matter. I wanted to feel the V12 when I was riding in Atlanta. Busy been cush all day. I'm damn near high as my Phantom. I got 3 bitches with me. They want the baguettes on their neck. Bitch, I was made inside the projects. I got crip on my set. Nigga, I was really on the floor, then I woke up in the jet. Ain't never had to dodge no nigga. I just might cop demon. I'm shopping at Neiman's, ballin' every season, feeling like I'm dreaming, shining every weekend. All they know is that I was broke. Then I got a brand new coupe, Louis V's on my shoe.